We're Immobiliser Fit and this is a 2022 Land Rover Defender protected with Starline Pro. So if a thief copied this key, drilled the hole in the bodywork or used an emergency start device, got this vehicle started up, when they pop it in gear to go drive away, you'll see the vehicle cut out. They're going to be unable to go any further. So for the customer, they can choose from just having a phone in their pocket, which is what most people like, just have their Bluetooth on. When they start the car, we hear a tone to confirm it's them. If we pop it in gear, the vehicle remains running and we can drive off. This has an adjustable range, so as soon as we leave the vehicle, it becomes out of range. No need to toggle your Bluetooth on and off. We're only doing that because the phone's in the vehicle with us. If you get into an instance where you've forgotten your phone, obviously we've got the Bluetooth off right now, you're out, you need to drive the vehicle home, you can start it up and choose from a push sequence. So for now, for the video, we just have 1, 2, 3, which we can change. We hear a tone, we can now pop it in gear and drive away. Just to show you again, we'll turn the vehicle off, give it a couple of seconds to set. If a thief got the key and just went to drive it without the code and without the phone, we pop it into gear, car cuts out. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 028 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit and this is Starline Pro on a 2022 Land Rover Defender. Thanks for watching.